Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you 3 niches that I found that are starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. But before I share with you those 3 niches, I just want to share with you my free Merch by Amazon course that I have up on my YouTube channel. So if you go to my YouTube channel on the homepage, you're going to see the second playlist here with the yellow thumbnails. I have this free Merch by Amazon course. It's 16 lessons. It's over an hour of content. I teach you a whole bunch of good stuff about how to cross niche, how to niche down, how to scale your designs, how to find trending niches, keep your account safe, how to design styles, a whole bunch of good stuff. So if you're interested, check it out. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales. The reason I have it for free is because I'm trying to get monetized. I'm still trying to get to that 4,000 hours of watch time. So if you want to support the channel, watch the videos. It's free until I get monetized, and then I will put it back up for sale on Gumroad where it used to be. If we take a look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, we're going to see that I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I have over 11,000 sales, and I made over $36,000 in royalties on merch. So again, if you're interested, check out the course. It will be free until I get monetized. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the first niche that I have for you is hanging with my Nomis. And this is kind of a play on words. Instead of saying hanging with my homies, it's hanging with my Nomis. If you've been on merch for a while, you're going to know that Nomis always sell very well during Christmas time on any type of product. These are very popular with people. And so this is the design phrase right here, hanging with my Nomis. We're going to see that there's only 401 results. And if we scroll down a little bit, we're going to see like these ones right here were uploaded, last month, October 5th, 2022. This one was also uploaded in October, and they're both are selling. They have pretty good BSRs. And another thing that you can do with this niche is that you can niche it down or cross niche it and scale it. So what you can do is you can do something like hanging with my first grade Nomis. You can make these t-shirts for teachers. So if you do that, you want to make sure that you use the word teacher in your listing, but you can scale it by doing hanging with my first grade Nomis, second grade Nomis, third. You can do all the grades, basically preschool, kindergarten. So that's a good little tip or trick to scale the design and get more kind of niche down. So that's the first niche that I have for you. Oh, and I checked the trademark as well. Hanging with my homies was not trademarked, so you're good to go on that one. The next niche that I have for you is Happy New Year 2023. So after Christmas, the next holiday that's going to pop up is going to be New Year's. And you don't want to do anything like this with Disney, but if we scroll down here, you're going to see, I think it was these ones right here. Yeah, so these were recently uploaded also in October, and they also have good BSRs. You don't have to design on black all the time. You could also do white like this. I recommend that you make designs for both colors. So you have 2 listings, a black one that has a black thumbnail, also a white thumbnail. That's going to increase your chances of getting more sales and increase your income or your revenue. So that's the second niche. Actually, let's take a look at the competition, because I think, yeah, there's only 426. So under my benchmark of 1,000, that's what I like to shoot for. And like I said, these ones were just recently uploaded and already got some sales. So that could be a good option for you. And then the next one that I have for you is one that's related to the World Cup. And the phrase or the niche is called soccer. So I remember hearing on the news or in social media that someone or somebody said something that it's called soccer because, throughout the whole world, everybody calls it football, but in America, people call it soccer. So if we go to this niche right here, we're going to see that there's only 206 results. And if we go to this listing right here, we're going to see that this listing was just uploaded, a couple days ago, and it's already at 119 BSR. So this design's making, a good amount of royalties every day. So that could be another good option for you. If you do go into this niche, you just want to make sure that you avoid saying anything like World Cup, FIFA. You can just basically just kind of copy this person's keywords or use something similar, but stay away from saying World Cup, FIFA, things like that. So that's the third niche that I have for you. And that is basically going to be the video for today. So I get these designs up. I didn't check on the other platforms, but I'm sure on Etsy, TeePublic, Redbubble, Spreadshirt, all the other ones, they're probably going to be pretty low in competition too. Remember, you want to diversify yourself as much as possible, and also put them on as many products as possible as well. But I hope you guys are having a good Q4. I know sales have jumped up for me, so that's always exciting this time of year. I apologize for not doing like videos on a daily or every other day basis. I've just been busy with kind of some other products, but I saw these niches trending, so I wanted to get a video out for you guys. So I hope you liked it. Hope you found this valuable. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I make videos on a regular basis talking about trending niches, design ideas, phrases that we can use to put onto Merch by Amazon t-shirts and other platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, TeePublic. So if you like that kind of content, consider subscribing. And again, if you want to check out the course, it's on my homepage and will be free until I get monetized. All right, so thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.